Hi loves, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we're going to be doing my AM updated skincare routine. So before we get started, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. Okay, I literally just woke up, fed the family because it is a snow day outside, and yes, I do have a Christmas sweater on. I mean, this is just real life. I'm coming at you with my slippers on, jammies are on, but I thought since I'm going to be doing my skincare routine, why not show you what I'm currently doing in the mornings? Okay, so obviously I have washed my face at night, and I have been kind of loving this little soft, I don't even know what you call it. It's like basically, I know that's kind of bad, but it's like a rip off of the makeup eraser, but it's so soft. You know, I don't love washcloths, but this is perfect if you want just a quick little wipe over. It's not gonna exfoliate or anything like that. It's just gonna, instead of, I don't know, sometimes in the winter, I just don't wanna splash a bunch of cold water on my face. Does that make sense? Okay, so I'm gonna get this wet. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so I literally just do this. Very, very gently. My pressure is very gentle. And really, honestly, in the morning, you don't have to wash your face. I don't really wash my face a ton in the morning as long as I obviously have had good skincare at night. But you definitely want to get that night off, the tret off if you use it, or retinol, or whatever you have used that night before. Okay, so that is done. Super important to dry your face right away, so that you don't get transepidermal water loss. You don't want the water to evaporate off your skin. Okay, so all of my skincare is in this closet right here. So you're gonna see me kind of go back and forth. All right, so I'm gonna give you kind of, so I have a few different products for each step. And they're different price points. So I'm still hooked on the Josie Argan Milk and the I'm from Fig Boosting Essence. It depends on the day, how I'm feeling, what I'm going to be using. Today, I feel like I'm going to go in with the Fig Boosting Essence. I absolutely still use the Tatcha Essence. It's just fun to switch it up. And bring that all the way down. Okay. And it's winter here in Colorado. So I do have a tendency sometimes to put a couple layers of that depending on how dry I'm feeling. Back hands. And honestly, over time, I've really pared down both my morning and my night skincare routine. My night skincare routine will be coming up, but I've really pared it down. It's just, I think simpler for these times is better for me. All right, so either I'm gonna go in with my Josie Maran vitamin C, which is the same vitamin C form that I love, which is the hexyldecyl ascorbate, or I go in with the Ordinary. You guys can't see very well. Let's see here. And this is ascorbyl glucide solution, 12%. This is one of their recommendations for people that have more hyperpigmentation. And also too, there is the one formula with the type of vitamin C in it that is targeted for hyperpigmentation. So that's always a big, you know, push for me. So that's important. So today I am going to go in with the Ordinary. Just a few drops. If you guys have been watching me long enough, you know that I am a licensed esthetician. I have my own studio in Denver. So all of these products are esthetician approved. All right, I'm gonna let that sit for a second. I'm just going in with my eye cream. I usually use my Derma E eye cream. This is just a new one that was sent to me. It's by Paula's Choice, the C5 Super Boost Eye Cream. I like it. I'm just trying it out. I still highly recommend the Revision DEJ eye cream if you need some more targeted treatments around the eyes. Sometimes I stop there and just pop on my SPF, or I go into, which normally I do, I go into the City Beauty Uplift Firming Serum. And at night is where I have a tendency to use a little bit more of my clinical products. So a lot more of my osmosis is at night. I literally just ran out of my Josie Maran SPF. But this I also use. This, I mean, like religiously. It's either Josie or my Kinship sunscreen. And this, for me personally, doubles as a moisturizer. It is very rich and very moisturizing. Sorry if you hear my daughter in the background. It's a snow day, like I said, so everyone is home. All right, back of the hands. I do love that sunscreen because it gives a nice, beautiful, kind of blurred glow effect to the skin, and makeup goes on beautifully over this. And then for the lips, I just go in with either the City Beauty Lip Plumper or the Forget the Filler from LAWLESS. I'm obsessed with these from LAWLESS. Then I go in with my Grande Lash MD. I use this every single day. And that is it. It literally takes me 5 minutes. I've really taken out steps because I feel a little simpler routine for me personally is working better. And I have everything I need in there. I have my SPF, my vitamin C, my hydrators, and honestly, that's all you need. So don't overcomplicate your morning routine. Make it simple, be able to get out the door and go on with your day. So I'll hopefully see you guys for my PM, which will be coming up soon. Thank you all so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.